Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and confirming it's up to date. That avoids layout changes later. Next, choose your wallpaper source, local file, Google Photos, or a web store theme, and locate the exact image you want. Make sure the image resolution roughly matches your display to prevent stretching. Once done, right-click the new tab background or click the Customize button, pencil icon, at the bottom right of a new tab. This puts you immediately into Chrome's wallpaper controls, so you can add your image. You now pick or upload the image. If it's local, choose Customize, then Upload from Device and select the file. Chrome imports it instantly. If using Google Photos or a Chrome collection, navigate those tabs and pick the image, sign in if prompted. Make sure to select the best fit option. Fill keeps edge-to-edge coverage, center avoids cropping, and tile repeats smaller images. While applying, Chrome previews the new tab so you can confirm placement before committing. Change selection until the preview looks right. Click Done to apply your chosen wallpaper and check a new tab to confirm. If the image fails to appear, relaunch Chrome and verify sync settings. Sometimes profiles with sync off won't show changes across devices. If the background looks corrupted, clear cached images by closing Chrome, reopening, or reset the theme in Settings Appearance. Finally, if the image is distorted, pick a different aspect ratio or crop it to match your display. Doing so prevents stretching and keeps the background crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.